Saibi Maike now again our video start Korea. I is Bushu MC Kota for the first birthday. We have to check everything before the party starts. This little one was helping us with the decorations. A party theme aloli from the cake to the chair. Theme is this lady who is very famous among kids. Decorations were done and we were ready for the party. Makchoin Boredisle how the parents designed this birthday party for their kid.
The Benjamin and Melissa. First spot prize is going out for anyone who can tell me. Happy birthday, Mom.
This is such a good feeling when somebody is feeding you cake and you're just relaxed.
2, 1. Happy birthday. He was the same guy who was very famous in London for popping the champagne. How long do you think it's going to take to pop the champagne? How many seconds, minutes? One minute? I just said he's famous. What's your name? Adina. Nice meeting you.
Did you get chocolates?
Mama is.
Mama is right.